Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall killer. subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, and welcome to another Sunday morning vibes. Yes, yeah. Me Dancehall Skilla. Me love to start off the Sunday morning with, the word of God, spread the gospel, you see me, even if it's a gospel song or something, me love to start off the Sunday with that kind of vibes. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. A church vibes. Me love that vibes, Now viewers and subscribers, me like the way how these persons in the video, they're dressed, in a certain uniform. When we look at this uniform or these uniforms that me see these persons are in, I'm saying to myself like, whoa, these persons, they look like soldiers of God. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's how I look at it. Now viewers and subscribers, not because my name Dancehall Skilla, me is the kind of person, I love to put God first in everything that I'm doing. You see what I'm saying to you? And Sunday, you see me, Sunday should be a time where, this is my belief, that Sunday should be a time where you give God praise and glory. So I said to you, no, other persons might say Saturday, some persons might say Friday, some persons might do right through the week, but even if you don't do right through the week, at least one day you can put it aside and say, look, this day is for God, or your Savior, or Jah, or, whatsoever name you give the Almighty One. Yeah, I am the kind of person, I believe in putting at least a day aside to give praise and give thanks for life, and show the appreciation and show how you appreciate the mercy that Him have on us. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Alright, well anyways, viewers and subscribers, me see this video on social media, we bring it to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think. You see me, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I see these persons in a certain uniform and I look at them and I say to myself, wow, these persons look like soldiers of God. Yeah, and this is my point of view towards this video, alright? And you can also tell me what you think. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Or big up on yourself, alright? What good? And see you next time.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.